Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're making envelope pillows, no sew envelope pillows. I've already made one, so I want to show you how to make one. First, you'll need your fabric. I use 2 yards, a measuring tape, scissors, and a glue gun. Yeah, we're going to make this using a glue gun. So, I've already measured out my fabric, and my pillows are 18 by 18. The beauty of this is these pillow covers will allow you to take them off, throw them in the wash, maybe make another one and cover your pillow. Once you learn how to do this, you will never go back. This is a great way to make a quick cover up for some pillows just in time for spring or any season for that matter. So what you see me doing here is trying to line up where I want my flaps to go. I've used a pen to make indications of where I want to have my folds or my flaps. So with my fabric turned inside out, I'm just marking the fabric where I want to have my folds on the pillow. This is so easy, guys. So now I'm gluing a hem on either side of the fabric so that my flaps have like a finished look. Once I've done one end, I'll turn the fabric over on the other end and make a finished hem on the other end of the fabric for the second flap. Again, this is just so it has a finished look. And this makes it so easy once everything is lined up. And I show you, this is where I want to make sure that my flaps are measured out properly so that when you stick the pillow inside of the cover, the flap pulls down and covers up the pillow adequately. So now that I know everything is lined up properly, I can begin to seal it up. So I'm going to be using my hot glue. Yes, my hot glue gun. I'm going to be using my hot glue gun to seal this pillow. And I'm going in about a 1/2 inch and giving myself like a 1/2 inch seal or hem. Be careful with this glue gun, you know it's hot. So I'm going to take my time and make sure I have a nice seal on either side of my pillow. Again, this is so simple that you can do this in probably 10 minutes. Of course, I was going a little slower because I'm filming this. I want to make sure that the entire thing is done and the flap that goes over is also glued. And you'll see me here gluing down the side of that flap to make sure that's secure. And you could easily run a stitch up each side, but I don't have a sewing machine. And you could also do it by hand, a hand stitch too. So very simple. But the glue gun is what I had. So for those of you who only have a hot glue gun, this is probably a great project for you. So once I've got the entire thing glued down on both sides, so I'm going to now open it up, flip it right side out to make sure that everything is sealed. And that's it. That's it, guys. Now, insert your favorite pillow and you're off to the races. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Let me know if you've tried this before and if you had any success with it. This is the first time that I've made an envelope pillow cover. I've used other types of pillow covers before and made them, sewn them by hand, hot glued them, but this is so easy for me. This was so easy for me that I know I'm going to be doing this going forward. I know I'm going to do this a lot going forward. So thank you guys for stopping by. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And for my returning friends, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Again, leave me a comment. Let me know if you've had any success creating envelope pillow covers.